Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're gonna make a creme brulee and you're really gonna like this, so stay with us. I'll be right back. Today let's get started making our creme brulee. But first I want to tell you a little story. In Orange County, California, I was a bartender in the early 80s at a bar called the Chanticleer. It was at a restaurant called the Chanticleer. It's a French restaurant across the street from the John Wayne Airport. The chef there, his name was Pascal, and he showed me how to make these creme brulees. So today we're going to make Pascal's recipe of a creme brulee. So we got 4 egg yolks, not the egg whites, just egg yolks. We're going to dump these in here. I got a half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to put in just a little bit of Watkins vanilla extract. Enough for that. And we're going to whisk these together, but first 2 cups of heavy cream, and I got a little bit left over, so we're going to add that in. And we want to bring this not to a boil, we just want to get it hot. So I got it set at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to heat this up. And then while that's heating up, let's whisk this together. Half a cup of sugar, 4 egg whites, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, as soon as we get this mixed up here, and we got our heavy cream over here, as soon as it gets hot, we're gonna slowly add it to our egg and vanilla and sugar mixture. And then we're going to put it in these dishes here. We're going to put it in this dish here. We're going to add water probably about halfway up to the pan, and it's like a bath. And we're going to put it in the oven and cook it for 30 minutes, and then we're going to bring it out, let it cool down, and we're going to put sugar on the top and take a blowtorch, and we're going to burn some sugar. Creme brulee. All right, our 30 minutes is up, so let's take a look at our creme brulee. Remember, we put it in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna try and take this out without burning myself. Okay, we got that one there. We're going to let them cool down for about an hour outside. Then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for overnight. And then what I did, I made up creme brulee yesterday that's been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. This one's been sitting in the refrigerator. We want to burn some sugar, or caramelize some sugar, some people say. So we're going to put the sugar around here. This is really a good custard dish. It's really good. So, all right. Now, fun starts. This goes pretty fast. Okay. Starting to come together. Get this, I got this torch and 4 of these ramekins at Bed Bath & Beyond a couple weeks ago for $19.95. I got to get a spoon, and we're going to eat, or I'm going to eat the creme brulee. But watch this. So we burnt that sugar on top, and listen. Hear that? Now, let's do this. Let's just take a little bit out. So good. It really is. It's so good. Try this. Look at this. Look at that. I gotta have another bite. Okay, that's our creme brulee. Make it at home. I need subscribers, so subscribe if you get a chance. Any comments, good or bad, shoot them at me. See you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.